Hello, my people. I greet the house. Hope so now they fine. My people, this video, as I just watch, I just dey laugh. The thing just, first of all, congratulations to them. I just dey laugh. Now, know wetin make me talk about this video. I just see her, the woman, the first wife say, she happy say her husband marry another wife. But he can't talk another thing, say they no dey stay for the same house. Now that one I can imagine. Now me can dey imagine say that means una no dey stay together. This one dey her, that one dey the other house. Because to marry two wife, the man say dey happy. E no easy to marry two wife dey for inside house. So na two brain dey there. Every day they go dey throw bottle for this side, bottle for the other side. So now that one na come make me talk about this video, because to marry two wife to stay the same house, e no easy. E no easy o. The day wey you go this one room, the other one go dey get as e be, Then the other woman come dey talk say, I love my husband, anything wey I need, e dey do am for me, dey buy am for me. Na so na when big man go marry two wife or three wife, problem no dey, because ego dey there. Poor man no fit do this one because money no dey. The day wey e go say make him by try am, e go see himself for specialist. So my brothers and sisters, I just love this marriage anyway. I really love am. So I wish them long life and prosperity, happy marriage life. Because I see the marriage is heavy. Poor man no fit do this one. So na only person wey get money na im go fit say, okay, I wan marry two wife. Because if you marry two wife, money no dey there, you are on your own. Only person wey get money na im go fit say, okay, make I try am. If e good for you, good. If e no good for you, you know say you still try am. Because the man talk say e father marry one, so he want to pass him father, him come marry two. Congratulations.
To marry two women, people will say there is no gain. Some people will say there is a gain. But for me, there is a gain. Because two heads is better than one. We can reason together, three of us. But if it is only one person, her reason, we look somehow. So, but if something is coming, three of us can put head together and make it in a very good thing. My name na Uloho Otuko Samson. I be 37 years old. Wetin make me marry two women the same day? Because I like them and I take it as if I must marry two. Because even my father marry one. So I need to big more than my father. If my father have one, I need to have two. Because our prayer, my father always pray for me that if I have one building, we should be having two. Easy for me to plan two women marriage for the same day, because when you dey sell pikin, they go river, they go fetch water. So make you go fetch water, come give you not go tell her the wave when e dey inside the river. When e don reach there, now there you go know how to fetch her. Me, when I marry two of them, I know how we dey take dey understand ourselves.
My name is Mama Evelyn, but now changed to Evelyn Uloho. I be 32 years old. Me and my husband are almost 7 years now. When my husband tell me say I'm married to wife, I not feel anything. I dey happy because as my husband, when I guess, I know say they carry guests. So he can't go pay two wife bed price. It can't be the ending. So I'm not gonna worry. We know they stay for the same house, now different house nights we they stay. If he like to stay my side, if he did there for that kind of week, then the second week we can't go the other side. I know they lack anything because my husband, so the time when he stay with me, so anything your own, so he go do and give you. So if you can't go the other side, also the same thing. So that's why you see say we are not quarreling, no wahala in both of us. My husband, if there's someone I describe as my husband, is a truthful person, and anytime when you need help, he go fit help you. If my husband decides say he won't marry another wife, no problem for my side, because he's the one spending the money. It's not me. It's not me.
My name is Famous Faith. My age na 26 years old. My husband na person wey be say they care for me. He like me anytime when he say I demand something for him, he dey give me. I no feel bad the time when they date Mr. Uloho whether he gets another girlfriend because na his choice.
According to tradition of Isoko and we're here, woman bed price is 120. That is how we pay here. That one is after you have fulfilled all things from the father side and the mother side and every community activities. The money that will reflect as a traditional right is 120. After I pay the bed price, for here, the same the tradition, they will still escort the woman to your place because without so, automatically the bed price has not concluded.
Yeah.
For Isoko tradition, if you get two wives, there must be senior wife and the junior wife. My senior wife is Otuko Evelyn. The junior one is Otuko Faith. Being a senior wife, not because of the age where you get, it's just because of who is the first person that the man first to go and marry. The only benefit the senior wife will have in Isoko tradition, for my side, whenever we share anything, she is the first person to do or to choose. When are they arranged so that there will be no problem in the house? If I want to buy food or clothes, I will invite both of them. We will sit in the same parlor. I will give this one, you take, you take. I give them the same amount equally. What I like about two of my wife is that they respect me. That is the number one reason why I love them. That's okay, two of you, I cannot marry two of you for the same day. I over happy and I overwhelmed over what I did because I choose it for me. I choose it for myself. It is not somebody that choose it for me. So I was the one that go for it, and I'm much happy with everything over them or with the life we are living. I'm comfortable with it.